Weaver, a consultant with Creative Healthcare Management and a certified instructor for perfect health with the Chopra University. I'm going to instruct today on a series of movements that flow with the breath called Sun Salutation. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you are seated comfortably in a chair with your knees even with your hips. If they are a little lower than your hips, you can use a towel under your feet, as I have here, or even some books, or if you have a yoga block, that would work as well. Sun Salutation strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and lengthens and strengthens every large muscle group in the body. It also helps to relax us. It can be done in a chair, so we can do it in our office, in an airport, our living room. Anywhere there's a chair, you can perform this exercise. To get started, I'd like you to bring your hands to your heart. This is called Salutation pose. And as you're resting here comfortably, just take a deep breath in and out of your nose. Notice how your heart feels. On the inhale, you're going to raise your arms up and look up towards the sky, to sky reaching pose. As you exhale, you're now going to come down, bringing your fingers to your toes, to hands to feet pose. If your fingers don't comfortably reach down to your toes, that's fine. You can bring them to your ankles, mid-calf, anywhere that it feels comfortable. Next, you're going to inhale and bring your right knee up to your chest. This is called equestrian pose, and just hug it to your chest. As you exhale, you're going to come down into mountain or hands to feet pose. And now inhale into 8-limb pose. You want to bring your forearms flat along your thigh and then just lean forward. Next, you're going to inhale into cobra pose. You'll reach your arms straight out, look up, and arch your back. Exhale, back to mountain or hands to feet pose. Inhale into equestrian pose, now hugging your left knee to your chest. Exhale, hands to feet pose. Inhale, reach up to sky reaching pose, and exhale, hands back to heart or Sun Salutation pose. Notice how you feel. An enlivened feeling, perhaps your heart's beating a little quicker. Let's try that one more time. Nice breath through your nose, in and out. And inhale to sky reaching pose, looking up. Exhale, hands to feet pose. Inhale, equestrian pose, hugging your right knee to your chest. Exhale, hands to feet or mountain pose. Inhale to 8-limb pose, leaning forward. Inhale to cobra, arching your back and looking up and putting your arms and hands out straight. Exhale, hands to feet or mountain pose. Inhale to equestrian pose, now bringing your left knee up to your chest. Exhale, hands to feet pose. Inhale to sky reaching pose. And again, back to hands to heart pose. Once again, just breathing easily and noticing how your body feels, how your heart feels. This series of movements can be done as many times as you like, and again, is good for many physiological as well as psychological benefits. I hope you've enjoyed this series of flows called Sun Salutation.